Matthew got himself a big truck.
This is a big truck. Big bad truck.
This thing's nice.
It's nice.
Do you want to explain to them how rare this is?
This is one of 12.
One of 12. Super rare. Alright, so Eric, you got everything else bolted back together, headers on, intake manifold on?
Yep, started bolting the NA bracket on. Yeah, heads cam's done, the exhaust is done. Got a new DeWitt's radiator. We're doing the radiator because it's lower profile, sits lower in here, allows for the charge pipe to come over and into the intercooler, and for the air filter. You'll see once it's together, you'll be able to get a better look at how and why you need it. So yeah.
Are we doing anything fuel system wise? Does it already have fuel system?
No fuel system. It's got a booster pump already on it from the previous, and then we're doing meth.
Okay, so no E, just...
Nah, no E, just meth, and then the NA kit. The clutch is done already. Heads cam's done already.
It's stock bottom end, so we don't really want to go too far.
Yeah, I mean 800-ish.
Yeah.
You know, it's usually what we...
5-6 pounds.
Yeah.
Max. Meth helps.
Yep. We're switching over from the ECS kit to a brand new ANA kit.
Okay.
It should be a V3, yeah, that's usually what we do is a V3.
Matthew got himself a big truck.
This is a big truck. Big bad truck.
This thing's nice.
It's nice.
Got a lot of money in this thing.
Yeah, really well.
Yeah, it is. So what's this thing getting?
I'm doing cooks, catted, long tubes with a catted
Okay. So headers.
X pipe and a
I see an aerator.
air rate intake. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Now, obviously, we didn't baseline this because, for obvious reasons, it will not fit on our dyno. So it's not going to get a baseline or final number. Frame is going to street tune it though. It's going to make sure everything is good. But it's nice.
A lot of detail in this truck though.
Yeah.
Right down to the drive shaft.
Yeah. Sears.
Pretty clean.
Very, very, very clean. Thing's nice. Nice Fox shocks everywhere. This is a nice truck. What exhaust is already on it? It's basically just tips and then like a small muffler resonator back there.
Yeah, I think it's set up.
So you're taking out the stock manifolds, these cats, this Y pipe here, and then where does it connect into? Just
It'll connect right here.
Right there. Okay.
Yep.
By the flex pipe. So we'll get those stock manifolds off right there, and then snake the header up through here. The only problem we're seeing is he's got these bars on here. We're thinking it might be pretty close to the header. We shall find out though.
That thing is shining.
Bling bling.
Money ain't a thing.
Maybe for you.
It's a song, Steve. A song.
I wouldn't know it. I'm not rich.
I am far from rich. I'll give you all my money.
Yeah. Okay.
Your house is twice the size of mine.
So what?
Hey. Yep. Funny how that works, isn't it?
Just because my house is bigger doesn't mean
hey, I'm just saying.
I could just be house poor.
Yeah, you could, yes.
Or I just make better investments during my life.
I invested in cars. Not very funny.
I invested in my first house and made out on it.
I'm doing pretty good on my house, though.
See? So that's the cool thing about houses is you can actually make money.
Thank God. I'll lose money on that. Actually, I don't lose money on anything, but I'm not dumb. But
well, cars are depreciating assets. Like people.
I don't necessarily like. I guess I could lose money on it by like modding them and like that. But as far as like buying and selling the car, I've never lost any money.
I was gonna say.
I think this is the first blue interior I've ever seen.
I'm blue, double D, double down.
Say blue Corvette in that.
I'm a blue Corvette with a blue little window or something like that. They say, you're right.
A blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue.
So you have to put that in for this now.
No.
Yes.
It's like a blue Corvette though. It's gray.
Close enough.
No, how is gray close to blue?
It's got blue flake in it.
No. Silver flake. Silver. That's silver. Silver flake.
Blue.
There's no blue in that. So is this just headers intake?
Yeah, I know it just has headers on it. It's funny, Bill just messaged me. That maroon Corvette we just did the cam in.
C6.
I was looking at the tune, and I'm like, man, this like looks like something I've tuned before, you know?
Yeah.
And Bill's like, I don't have anything in the computer, you know, for this kid, and I didn't have the kid's name or anything in there, and I'm like, dude, I have had to tune this thing before. And he just messaged me, and I guess the kid that he bought it off of, I tuned it for.
Oh, okay. See, that's why you didn't bitch about the tune was. You were just like, man, this thing's got a good tune.
Well, surprisingly, before I even tuned it for the cam, it actually ran okay.
Yeah.
And Bill said I did tune it in May of 2018.
Oh, so I might even have video of it then.
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you'll have to check.
I'll have to check.
Headers and an air intake.
Okay.
I have this song stuck in my head too.
So we're just doing tune on this? Auto, manual? Manual.
Manual?
Okay.
Manuel.
El Manuel.
Oh, he's my friend.
Eric's got that new Duals rad in.
Let's see. Now that it's laying on there, I'll put it up and route the belt around and
So Matt's got the old manifolds out. New Cook's headers going in. He's got one up already. Having to move his Move his sway bar.
Yeah, I'm hoping it gives me enough room. It's with that traction bar. This guy is making it difficult.
We're thinking this is going to be
Barely moving.
yeah, I was going to say move like 2 inches.
I knew it's because there's solid lengths.
Yeah, his end links and stuff over here. Nah, and then you've got the
Good job, Chef. Well,
oh boy.
What are you doing for lunch, Steve?
I don't know.
We're heading to Shake Shack.
Are you? You want to do? Can we do a little comparison of the old intercooler to the new one as well?
Yeah, sure thing. Sure thing. So let me get this tight first.
Sure. You got that thing lowered down?
still ain't going.
Huh?
Still ain't going.
Dude, I got one of them Uber scooters this weekend.
I saw your pictures from the city. You're like, it's worth going to the city just for those things.
Dude, they must. Dude, there was guys flying on those things down there. Like, me and his buddy Kenny were like, holy shit, that guy is moving. So I get on the Uber one. They were on like the other ones. I don't know what.
Zip or something. I don't know.
I forget.
Did you ever see the South Park where they made fun of those things? They're like,
Yeah.
the scooters are just everywhere.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, I went on my Uber app. I took a picture of scanned the code on the thing, and it said confirm scooter.
That's hilarious.
And I said yes, and then the scooter was like, and I got on it and was like, right away.
That's pretty.
Guess how much? Guess how much? If you had to guess how much a minute?
A minute?
Yeah.
Oh.
They charge you a minute.
Oh. I was gonna guess overall time. I don't know, like 80 cents.
29 cents.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
I thought it was going to be like $2.
No.
Involved in the city, you know, like
I mean,
everything.
it goes fast, man. That'd be. So
But
like, how much
mine-
does your whole ride go? Like $15 or something?
My total ride, I think, was like, I forget how long it was, but it ended up being $2.90.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, I was thinking like $15.
Yeah, I have my
That's not bad at all.
receipt right here. 7 minutes it was, actually.
That's not bad.
Yeah, $2.46. Thank you for choosing Jump Scooter, Eric. I'm just gonna use my Uber app and make this quick. But I didn't really plan on doing it because, like I said, I thought it was gonna cost a lot more than it was.
Yeah, that's cheap.
Here's the old ECS intercooler. A&A intercooler.
So
I mean, in this intercooler, you can't see it, is just as tall
yeah, I was gonna
as
say
this one.
It's up in there, so it's hard to tell, but it's a little bit wider. Has more of a narrow end, but
Yeah.
another thing A&A gives you is these plates that go around here. Kind of helps direct more airflow up to the AC condenser and also the rad, which is a really nice design. Here you can see one on. So air kind of comes up through here, so this isn't just blocking everything. It's well thought out.
Yeah, we'll angle the air directly into the condenser and the radiator. Probably gonna the best cooling it can with the intercooler now being in the way of the radiator.
I mean, air goes through it too, but
Yes, air goes through, but I'm
limits
saying, you know, limits it, but it also directs it around and into the...
5 years old.
Yeah. This is my kids do this all the time.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be below the waist.
Below the
though.
waist.
Oh my
Dude,
God, that was like old.
All right,
It's so funny how that came back.
Yeah.
according to that's gang signs. You better be careful. Remember that baseball?
Yeah, the
game
baseball
thing?
game where
Yeah.
the guy got banned from the stadium for life.
Well then.
Man, I cleaned up that manifold pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. This thing now looks like it actually has 9,000 on it again.
Yeah,
Or
this
8,000.
thing's actually gonna come out pretty good.
Replace that too, obviously.
Yeah, this thing will be a whole new car once this guy gets it back.
Oh, for sure.
Especially now that Bill said we're gonna replace it, because I don't know if you saw previously before I took the bumper off, whoever did the kit before just ripped out the front grill on the front bumper.
Oh yeah, no, I saw that.
And it was just all missing, and it looked like so we are going to be fixing that.
Well, it's a good thing it's in this guy's hands and our hands now.
Yeah.
Do it all right, do it nice. See how Matt's coming along here. He's cursing.
It's proving to be difficult.
The passenger side, I guess, was way easier. You gotta take all this stuff off too?
Dude, I can't get it in there. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, I see. So he moved this. The sway bar is still not coming down far enough. So he's taking off the end link there. There you go.
It's just like the angle
Of
is
everything.
not working out.
I mean, he's got a lot of aftermarket stuff on here.
I might need to go with that.
This thing's still warm.
I don't know why I'm having this problem.
Okay, so the main thing getting in our way is this oil cooler block and lines, so unfortunately he's getting an oil change. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to take that steering shaft off. Oh my god.
You want to tell the ladies and gentlemen what we're doing here?
Right now we're baselining.
Do you want to explain to them how rare this is?
This is one of 12
Carlisle Blues.
C6 Carlisle Blues.
One of 12. Super rare.
That
Super
is
rare color.
Insanely rare. I do say so myself.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen one in a C6 non-Z. I think there was more. I don't know how many.
I would think there's more base model
Yes, I believe there is.
in this color.
Total coupes 352. Convertible base
you're coming down on the
42.
chute,
Convertible Grand Sport 118. Convertible totals 160. I'm just gonna go off of Z06 says there's 12, Z01 there's 11. So 23 Z06s or Z01s. So way more Grand Sport convertibles and base Grand Sports and coupes. But yeah, 1 of 12. It's pretty sick. So guesses? 450.
For what? 50?
Yep. How many miles are on it? I think I saw 20. Okay, 20,000.
469.
448. Take a look at the interior as well. Just heads.
It's in. 2 hours later, it's in.
Oh man. So does that other piping gonna fit and stuff? Or not? Still not yet. So after lunch, cooling down, Matt finally got the other header in. And now we're taking a look at the wet pipe. That is close. Alright, so what we were afraid of from said beginning is now a reality. His braces and everything are not going to work even close. So even the tab here is really pushing this down, but when you pull this bar back up, we would have to either cut a large section out of the exhaust, which you're going to lose a lot of flow at that point, or make this pipe completely, the cat's there, so it would have to come this way, do a pie cut, re-weld all that, and that's no bueno. When Cooks did this system, they didn't intend to have it with this stuff.
I mean, the easier thing to do would be to basically
Move the mounting location.
move this mounting location to the bottom.
Yeah. Then ideally, wouldn't you want the other one moved too?
Yeah, I mean, it'd be nice to make a match. So that would probably be easier than.
See, that'd be close.
Oh, see, that would be good.
We could relocate it.
That'd be good right there.
But you would need to put, kind of plan was to take the bracket off of here and move it below to clear. The problem is this bar is still just not long enough now. It's meant to be here.
I mean, I could pretty easily weld a plate so it extends and then weld it to this transmission cross member.
Or you could do an L bracket and mount it to those original holes.
Yeah, but this lip here is going to make that
Oh, that's true.
really difficult.
Yeah.
Unless I just put spacers, which looks like there might be enough. Nah, maybe running out
What
of
is the lip
threads.
too?
It's just a strengthening. It wouldn't hurt anything because if you ever had to take your transmission cross member off, you just take these bolts out.
Yeah.
And drop these things right out of the way.
You gotta do it anyways. I mean, this one's mounted to this cross brace. Well, to the same cross brace.
I mean, that would be the easiest solution right there.
I agree. How's it coming over on this thing?
It's coming. All over my face.
Whoa, come on. This is a family channel, Eric. Jeez. So you got the meth solenoid, wiring that down there,
Yep.
wiring everything else. Already got your controller. Looks good. So you guys got to do the tank.
Tank's done. Tank's
Oh, the
finished.
tank is done? Oh, I didn't even see it. I'll go take a look. Is it one of those cubby hole ones?
Yep.
Okay. That makes it easy. So, meth tank. We use these cubby ones on the C6s. Super nice. Customer should be way happier with this setup.
Yeah, I know. We put a front grill in it.
Oh, nice.
Looks a lot better.
Oh, yeah. 1,000 times better. And then once you wrap everything else, the new hood liner and onto the dyno. So you ended up doing the plate idea, the customer arcade everything?
Yep. Yeah, he agreed that it was probably the simplest solution, so.
Okay.
He said actually a lot of the other lift kit manufacturers mount them pretty similar.
On the bottom
I'm
instead
sure
of-
they probably give you a new cross member, I don't know.
Probably. Oh, that's good.
But
So I got the plates welded on all the way around.
That's good. Good.
So now I'll just gotta get this back up and then you can basically tack the perches on and take it back off again and weld it up.
Nice.
Basically like that.
That was a good idea. And it's good to do it on both sides, so then there's some control and
Yeah, yeah. At
Even-
first he thought I was just talking about doing the one side, but no, I think it would look pretty weird to just do one side. Just basically sit like that.
nice.
It'd be real simple. If you want to take the cross member off, you just take this bolt out. This bar drops out of the way and
Right. And you still got the hinges there like it was before.
just comes out just like normal.
You got the plates welded on there.
You're just gonna hit it with a little black paint and
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up one more time, make sure
everything fits right.
nothing moved too much when I welded it.
Hit it with a little black paint, make sure nothing rusts. And that looks good. Real good.
Alright, so far so good. This side was a little tough to get the bowl down after I tacked it. There we go. Nice.
Yeah, just tap her through. Looks good. Okay.
Paint, paint, paint.
Paint her up, let her dry, put it back up. Sounds good. All good?
Yeah, man.
In the hood? Looks good. Nice work.
Like a glove.
The other cool thing is he will be able to seize.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look cool.
He's gonna see the bars more when it's truck's on the ground.
Yeah.
Good over here. You got plenty of room. I'll get the chain. No. Sounds good though.